How are
Okay,
you?
I'm doing absolutely fine. Thank you for asking. How about you?
I'm also doing good. Can I record the video?
Yeah, yeah, why not?
I can't see any option here.
No issues. I have already, started recording. Once we finish the
Okay,
session,
okay.
we can have a recording.
Okay,
Okay.
I will get.
Yeah, yeah, sure.
Okay, nice. So,
Can we
what
just,
do you?
stand at one place because your pictures, getting blur. Don't move. Just
Hmm,
stand still.
yeah, yeah. Okay, I
Okay.
will do that.
Uh, Okay, let me give you a quick introduction of mine. My name is Imtiaz and I am from Hyderabad. By profession, I'm an accountant, currently working for a startup company. Since this pandemic started, I'm working from home. That is why I'm, getting sufficient time to have a conversation with you guys and many other. So, I'm a student of public speaking, and being a student, I love interacting with people, and I love, sharing my thoughts and uh, getting others' perception, what they think, what they are doing in their life. That is what I love. That's
Oh,
it. So, what do you do in your life?
I do farming. I do farming in West Bengal. I live in a village. Right now, I am working, but because I have the session, that is why I quit for a little time. My brother is working there.
Okay, that is great. Quite inspiring. A farmer, putting his efforts to learn this language. So, can you tell me a little more, like why you want to, become fluent, or why you are enhancing these skills? How it is going to help you?
Yeah, it will improve my personality. I just want to improve my personality when I go out there. If I can talk in English, if I interact with different literate person, that will be good for me, and that will make me proud. That is why, and nothing
Great.
other.
In short, you can say it is your passion to learn this language. You feel, yeah, it is.
Yeah.
Most of the people feel proud when they start conversing in English. I know.
When Corona COVID-19 pandemic had started last year,
Hmm.
at that time I had sufficient time to spend in indoor. So at that time I was scrolling the YouTube and I saw many videos over English learning. They are speaking with natives and other thing, and then I inspired with them, and
Okay.
then I decided to, why not? I should learn this language.
Okay, why should not I become one of those who can inspire many others who are just dreaming to improve their communication? That is great. So, how long you have been learning this language?
It has been above 1 year. One
Great.
year.
So, how many hours, how many hours do you practice, or how much time do you devote to this, to practice this language every day?
Honestly saying, I don't study to learn this language. I watch movies and some English shows, and I talk when I get time, or not get time, when I get chance, when I talk, and that is only. I don't study and I don't read, write. I just watch videos and
See, you can, you can become one example for many people out there who think that only reading can help them speaking this language. But this is what I also believe, that if one wants to become fluent speaker by listening, if you are consuming more English, you can easily deliver without putting a lot of effort. But when it comes to drafting an email, writing, books or novels, there you need to have grammar, sentence
yeah.
formation,
I,
everything
I
should be.
also watch some video available on YouTube, grammar, to learn a bit grammar. I also English Spoken Guru. There is a few channels. They are very good. So I also watch some videos over grammar to learn a bit grammar to make structure, good structure, sentence structure. Otherwise,
Ac-
I am right now. I'm watching The Good Doctor. The Good Doctor, the
ac-
web series.
I can see your accent is, you are adapting their whatever you are watching, like as you mentioned, the doctor. So it must be, uh, those actors from UK or America. Maybe you are adapting their accent. In short, I can say.
Uh,
And
it's
that, yeah.
yeah, it's not so easy to adapt the accent because sometimes my tongue slipped and sometimes I utter a different kind of word, and even I don't believe that what I am going to utter. It's difficult. Nothing. It is just. Then I also realized that it is not good, and I did a wrong thing. So it is a main problem.
See. No issues. You know yourself that you are putting in lots of efforts. Slowly, steadily, you are going. Uh, and just keep practicing. One day you can, you will be speaking like them. Need not to
Thank
worry.
you so much.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So what are you expecting from me from this platform?
To guide me how to learn and how what will be my next initiative, what I have to do next to improve more.
See, you are already on the right path. You are watching web series. You are watching, maybe listening to podcast, or so you already know, and you are already, can converse with me. That is more than enough. So what you need to do is keep practicing. Slowly you can learn how to make, how to polish your sentences when you are going to present a story. Now what you can do is, whatever it already happened, it must have, become story. So you
Mhm.
can start, whatever, like maybe if you are into sport, you like playing sports, any kind of sports, and you made when you felt that okay, you guys were about to lose that match, but something happened and you contributed in that match, and because of that you guys have won. So that memorable moment you can, share with us. So slowly, start building all these ideas. Try to put all these memories one after one. Maybe it could be your observant story. Many times, what happens when we are going to somewhere, we observe things.
Mhm.
Few times we see, accidents happen. Some good things we see, observe. So this way,
Yeah, what happening with me, what is going on in my life, I can also explain this, what I did in my whole day.
see, one of the best thing is, as you have mentioned, you are into farming, so you can inspire a lot of people.
Mhm.
In spite of working in the farm, you are paying attention how you have developed this habit and why you are doing this. Let others know. Let others know that people who are working in the field also, can speak fluently.
Mhm. Yeah, I also made a video over my farming. I tried once. I made a one video. When I went to farm at that time, I shoot the video and I voice over in English, and I tried, but it was not good. But I tried once, and in maybe in future I will try again to explain what I am doing in English in my farm.
Great. So this is how you can, move forward. Take this learning journey bit by bit forward.
Hmm.
Start explaining each and everything in English from the morning till the time you go to bed.
Okay.
try to converse each and everything like native speakers.
Mm-hmm.
You will see a drastic change in your speaking, your thoughts. Whenever thought flows in, it will be in English only. You do
Mm-hmm.
not to put efforts to convert from our native language to English.
Yeah, it's happened. It happens always. When I try to talk, first I think in my native language, then I try to translate. It's a problem. I tried a lot, but what kind of sentence I know already, and I, talk frequent. What type of sentence that only I speak without thinking. But otherwise, when I try to make a sentence, what is I didn't make before. At that time, I have to think and translate it.
This is the universal problem, you can say. This happens with me, and I believe it happens with many others. It is
Mm-hmm.
all about the exposure. The more
Mm-hmm.
we exposed ourselves to English, that is why I told you, start conversing, explaining each and everything in English. So that way, you will become you are practicing yourself each and every day. So if anyone asks you about any particular situation, you will be feel like, okay, I've already spoken several time on this thing. No problem. You are speaking within your head, but at least you are speaking. You are practicing your thoughts.
Yeah.
So you don't need to put efforts when this kind of situation arise. So this is
Yeah.
how you take yourself forward.
Yeah. Yeah. It's a good orientation. Yeah. Yeah. When I had started at that time, utterly speak one and two sentences, and after
Okay.
that, I was unable to find any single sentences, and I feel very frightened. But now I can manage, however, with broken English, broken sentences, but I can explain now.
See,
So
you are you are speaking very good, and I really appreciate the efforts you are putting in. Initially, I felt like I was speaking to a fluent speaker, and with the accent, that was really wonderful. So this is
oh,
what I suggest you keep practicing slowly, but surely you are going to become fluent speaker. You can inspire many people because I can see the ability in you. You have that ability to inspire people.
oh, thank you so much.
You're welcome. So yeah,
Uh, Now
surely.
time is running out.
Yeah, we are running
Okay.
out of time. Just few seconds left. So I would like to meet you again. See,
Yeah, absolutely. Okay,
okay.
bye.
So it was wonderful talking to you. Stay safe and have a great time.
Thank you so
Okay.
much.
Bye bye.
To meet you. Oh, okay.